A Ghanaian crop scientist based in South Africa, Professor Felix Dapare Dakora, has won the African Union Kwame Nkrumah Scientific Award. The award was conferred on him by the AU at the opening session of its 28th Ordinary Assembly in Addis Ababa for his contribution to ensuring food security on the continent. He received a check for $100,000, a plaque and a certificate.
The Kwame Nkrumah Scientific Award, instituted in memory of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, is expected to promote science and technology on the continent. The award was conferred on Professor Felix Dapare Dakora for his works on leguminous crops and how they could be efficiently harnessed for food and to ensure nutritional security among the rural poor. Professor Dapare Dakora said he did the research on the development of an enhanced soil bacteria that could convert nitrogen from the atmosphere into ammonium or fertilizer. This culminated in the production of legumes with high protein. His research has led to finding solutions to the protein and calorie deficiency among the rural poor.
About 267 Africans in sub-Saharan Africa suffer from macronutrient deficiency. So you can overcome it. In fact, the way African governments address it, in South Africa in particular, is to get these macronutrients as chemicals and grind that together with your grain. If it's with maize, you grind with maize for kenke, and when you eat it, then you know you've got enough in your kenke. But you don't have to do that. You can use biological means to encourage the crop to take up these nutrients so that you don't need to buy them and grind them with it.
Recounting his contributions to food security on the continent, Professor Dakora said he has trained about 47 masters and medical students from 14 African countries.
I was in Ghana for 3 weeks, supervising students in Nyankpala, what's now called the Savannah Agricultural Research Institute. There are 2 doctoral students from Ghana in the lab at the moment. They are both finishing this year. They hope to graduate by September this year. There is another master's student coming from Ghana. So yes, I'm not based at home, but I'm doing a lot for the Ghanaian scientific community. I work collaboratively with the CSR and some of the people in the universities, and largely in the area of capacity building. But of course, we also publish the work which puts Ghana on the map when it comes to knowledge production.
Professor Dakora says he has been inspired to train more young scientists and also develop technologies that will lead to sustainable development.